Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use jobescape.me. In order to do so, here we are at jobescape.me, and what is it all about? Well, you can discover an AI-powered online skill and earn up to $70,000, $100,000 per year, according to their site. First, you want to take the quiz, and then you can start earning with zero experience. You got some information here, 4.6 on Trustpilot. I would highly recommend that you do some research before you proceed, but if you are interested, we can go ahead and just click on Get Started. And then from here, you are going to go through the basic onboarding quiz. It's going to ask you a variety of questions. Let's just go ahead and click on a few here so that you have an idea of what it is that you're getting yourself into. So let's just go ahead and say we want to increase our spending full-time. What challenges are you facing in your current job? Let's see, low salary. Know how we can help you. Job Escape will teach you step-by-step how to make money online using AI and help you enhance your potential. Have you ever considered freelancing as a part-time job? Yes, I've thought about it. Have you ever used AI to raise your effectiveness or even make money off of it? Yes, but it was hard to implement. So this just gives you an idea of all of the questions that you're going to have to answer, and there are quite a few. So we're just kind of going through them, and you can see that we've just kind of cracked the beginning here. But once you get started with Job Escape ME, then it's going to ask you for a subscription. And once again, I recommend that you do your research before proceeding with platforms that make large claims like this. Do your research, make sure that you are informed before you proceed. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.